Hey everyone, welcome back. JavaMentor.net here. In today's video, let's learn how to document our project. So I just opened one of the projects of the lichess.org website. That is the biggest online open source website regarding chess. And you can see some code here. You can go into some of those folders and check the code, but in the root of the project, you can find readme.md file. This file is documenting what is this project all about. So we can see some folders, some files, but here in the GitHub, we can see some documentation. So you can see the home page of the lichess. You can see how to do installation of the lichess. This is the code. You can click copy here. You can see what is where to find HTTP API of the lichess, what browsers are supported, so on which browsers you can play chess, license. You can see picture of the product architecture. You can see some credits, which guys helped in this open source project, and so on and so on. Let me show you another README file. So this is the README file of the JDK itself, how to build the JDK. This README file is really long. Like, what are the hardware requirements, how to build on this architecture, how to build on this architecture, what are the requirements regarding operating system, and so on and so on. I would suggest you in your project to put inside root of your project one readme.md file and to describe your project. What is your project all about? How to start your project? Let's say that you are creating some project regarding tourist agencies. So you can say, okay, this in that readme.md file, you can say this project is helping tourist agencies to keep track of their sold arrangements. I don't know, they're tracking how much money they earned from one villa, how much money from another villa during the winter season, summer season, and so on and so on and so on. You can describe features of your project. Also, you can describe what are the technologies that you use. You can drop some important links. If for example, in the real world, if there is a person to contact for example, if John developed some service, you can drop his email. For example, if you need to ask some questions, feel free to reach John Parker. I don't know, something like that. So it's very important to have this documentation in the root of the project. You can also include some commands how to start the project. Like you can see here, they included some command how to do, running and so on and so on. Now you see visually how this readme.md file looks like. But if you go here, readme.md, click, and then if you hit raw here, you can actually see the text how this readme.md looks like. For example, if you want to put a header installation, you need to put those signs in front of it. If you want to put some code, then you need to mark that code with those characters before and after, and so on and so on. If you want to include table, this is how it's done. If you want to put link, then this is the way, and so on. So you can just go and try to find few MDs, and you can find out how to put links, how to put code, how to put tables, and so on and so on. I already told you what MD needs to include, and that's basically it about documenting your project using readme.md file. Don't forget to put this file in your project, and see you in the next video.